Hi children, my name is Miss Cohen and I'm here to tell you about the Jewish Festival of Lights. And that festival is called Hanukkah. Can you say Hanukkah? Awesome. Now, Hanukkah is a Jewish holiday celebrated around this time of year, sometimes in November, sometimes in December. But this year it's in December and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. There are a few things that Jewish people need to celebrate Hanukkah. The first thing is a Hanakia. This is a Hanakia. This is mine. I've had it since I was a little girl. Now this Hanakia is like a candlestick. Can you count how many holes there are in it? Let's count together. Oops, it folds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9, and the 9th one is a little bit higher. Can you guess why? Well, I'll tell you. This one is called a Shamash. Can you say Shamash? That's right. The Shamash is like the king candle, and it lights all of the other ones. And on the first night of Hanukkah, you light 1 candle. On the second night, you light 2 candles. On the third night, you light 3 candles, and you do that all the way until you get to the 8th night. Okay, but this is the one. The king candle lights all of the other ones. The second thing you need for Hanukkah is a dreidel. Here is my dreidel. It's got Hebrew letters on. This one's a N. This one's a G. This one's a H. And this one's a shh. And children play dreidel. They spin the dreidel on the table, and guess what they play with? Chocolate coins. They get to eat yummy chocolate coins when they play the game of dreidel. It's very exciting. And another thing that happens on Hanukkah, you get to eat yummy donuts. And donut in Hebrew is sufganiyot. Can you try and say that? It's a tricky word. So, sufganiyot, donuts. People eat donuts on Hanukkah because they're fried in oil. And people also eat these little potato cakes. They are called latkes. And they are also fried in oil. But why is oil so important? Oil is so important because a long time ago, the Jewish people would light their Hanakia with oil. They didn't use things like we might have nowadays, but they used oil, which is why oil is very important in Hanukkah. And one last thing. There was a miracle that happened on Hanukkah. Did you know a long time ago, the Jewish people only thought that the oil in their Hanakia would last 1 night? Do you know how many nights it lasted? Take a guess. I'll tell you. The oil lasted for 8 nights. It was a Hanukkah miracle. Hanukkah is a lot of fun. There's lots of singing and dancing and parties and lighting the Hanakia and saying the prayers that you say over it, playing dreidel, eating yummy donuts. I wonder what your favorite flavor of donut is. And also using cool colored candles like this. Aren't they pretty? Now, just before I go, I'm going to teach you how to say Happy Hanukkah in Hebrew. Are you ready? Awesome. So let's first say it in English. Happy Hanukkah. Can you say that? Awesome. Now, let's say it in Hebrew. Are you ready? Hanukkah Sameach. Can you try one more time? Hanukkah Sameach. Now, see if you can remember that at the end of the day. Happy Hanukkah, everyone, and Hanukkah Sameach.